Hey everyone, Stephanie here from the SIG Air division at Sig Sauer. Okay, let's talk about a really nice product that we have from our ProForce line. This is the M17 Airsoft pistol. ProForce line from our SIG Air division is one of our high-end training platforms, and this gun does not let you down. So what we have done is developed alongside the civilian M17 firearm version, a counterpart Airsoft version as well. The great features about this ProForce M17 is it's a training gun. It is allowing you to take what you cannot accomplish on the range or a rainy day and bring it into your backyard or allow you to train what you carry on your everyday. So let's run through some of the features. This is a full blowback system. It has lockback on your last round, regular drop magazine, just like your firearm pistol would have. You can do all of those practice drills that you would typically handle in your firearm. It's a great little gun. It also has your fixed front and rear white dot sights. Like I said, drop magazine. It also has a mount plate, which the M17 firearm has as well. That allows for optic ready sights, whether that's a red dot or something else on the market that you can apply to this air gun. It is available to do with this Airsoft, and you can, again, practice what you preach. If you carry a red dot and you would like to carry that into your practice gun, you can do that here. The final really cool feature of the ProForce M17 Airsoft is that it is offered in CO2 version, so you can buy the complete model with the CO2 mag, or you can buy an M17 with a green gas version magazine. The cool feature is that if you buy an M17 with a CO2 magazine and down the road, or if you're doing airsoft competition and they require certain feet per second, or you just feel like changing it up, you can buy the green gas magazine as an accessory and it will fit inside the same platform that your CO2 model does. So you can interchange the magazines from green gas to CO2 on the same platform. So this is a great feature for this plinking pistol product. And if you have any questions or you want to make any purchases or any more inquiries about SIG Air's product, make sure to visit sigsauer.com.